Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you are seeing this video. How are you doing? I hope you are good. My lovely people, thank you so much. My God will bless you. I love you all. Thank you for supporting me. My God will support you. So allegedly, we heard that the Ooni of Ife's father, that is Paropo, and the Ooni of Ife's brother, Ooni of Ife's two sisters and the Lady of Akure, this including some other men and the women, as we heard, allegedly, that they stormed Akure. They came to Queen Naomi's house in Akure. What is their mission? That is what is yet unknown. Although we heard allegedly that that as they came, they said that they have come to carry their wife and go back to the palace. So I was like, Nobi was like, what is this? Coming to carry your wife? Konami did not even say anything. Konami was just looking at them. And they said that they have come to carry their wife to go home. They are led by Deji of Akure. And the one thing about Ooni of Ife's father is that Konami loves Ooni of Ife's father so much. And Konami wouldn't like to say no to whatever Ooni of Ife's father said. But it's not all about saying no or not. Yes. So my correct people, allegedly, we heard that these people, they came and they were mean. But you know what? After everything, I don't know whether they were able to take Queen Naomi home. Why? They were not able to take her home, in short. Because why they came to the palace to take Queen Naomi home is because of a lot of prophecies, a lot of things going on between the king and the Iyami Osurunga, all those people that have been coming to him, telling him, bring back Queen Naomi, bring back Tadenikawo, why are they outside the palace? Why won't you bring them inside the palace? If you want to be dethroned, do not bring them into the palace and all of that. And that particular dethronement own is the one that is the most painful to the king. And we heard that the king did not go with these people. He did not cross the palace of, he did not cross the, so I mean that the king did not go to Akure with them. It was just these people, Ooni of Ife's sisters, two of his sisters, the father, the brother, Deji of Akure, and some other men went for that mission. What is their mission? That they have come to carry Queen Naomi and go back to the palace. Let them know whether is anything going to happen if Queen Naomi come back to the palace. That is what we heard they said though. They want to know if anything will happen if Queen Naomi comes back to the palace. That they are going to carry her, take her home. Now. And the Queen Naomi was like, oh, she didn't say anything. No. You know, these people, they are afraid because they know the wrath of Iyami Osurunga, what it will be when it come upon the king and the entire Ile-Ife. Because anything that will happen to the king, it doesn't only happen to the king, but happen to all the entire Ile-Ife kingdom. Because as they say that judgment starts from the altar, the punishment will start from the palace. I know say in that palace, it's not only the king and his family lives in the palace. There are other people that live in the palace, and also the elders that always stays in the palace for decision making, planning on how to make Ile-Ife to go further, and doing a lot of things. Yes, my correct people. So they say that they went to Akure, and the Queen Naomi's mother did not allow Queen Naomi to leave. Of course, you cannot come and collect Queen Naomi like that, like say Queen Naomi na wrapper wey she be. You can't just come and take her like that. Her mother have to react. Her mother needs to react, because if they take her like that and she goes back to the palace, they will not even see her as anything. although some of them have not been seeing her as anything, but you see, for that palace wey dem dey, make dem comot finish. You see the Oloris, make dem comot finish. When Queen will come back, nobody will be in that palace. Not even the Oloris, only the king and those people that is working in the palace will be in the palace. So as we heard it, they say that Iyami Osolonga fight for the well-being of his people, and it's I think like that Iyami Osolonga have also a good mind, because we heard that he came to the king, telling the king that he should strive and bring back these people, that he is going to be with him. That is, if Queen Ooni of Ife makes a move on how to bring back Tadenikawa and the mama back to the palace, that is when this Iyami Osolonga will now help. But if Queen Naomi did not, if Ooni of Ife is not doing anything, that means the warning that came may later come back again. Yes, because there is this warning we heard that a thunder strike. I don't know, is it that thunder strike? Is it from Iyami Osolonga? I don't know. Or is it from that because of Wuru life that these people are living in the palace? I don't know. But we heard that this artifact, this Iyami Osolonga gave the king 60 days, and that 60 days I think is from last month. So very soon the 60 days will just evaporate like water, like vapor. Okay, my people, because of say the king and his brothers and sisters know the implication of Iyami Osolonga being angry and coming to fight them, they decided to go and fight for the king. Yes, they decided to go and fight for the king and told the king that we know what it means. And if Iyami Osolonga should start fighting them, the kingship will leave their village, will leave their family. And they say that the last person that ruled from their family did very well. And that is why they now remember that they should give to the king. Right now, the king is doing very well, just that a lot of distractions. Things that is distracting the king are many. Yes, it is really, really many, because the Olori is number one. Apart from the Oloris, we also have some deities that are not in support of Queen Naomi coming back to the palace, because if Queen Naomi come back, Queen Naomi will continue to destroy things for them. Not only that, they also have elders who is also fighting against Queen Naomi's return to the palace. Not only the elders, there are also outdoor people. Outdoor people, when I mean outdoor people, some people out there. Yes, because it's not only those in the palace that war is coming from. War is actually coming from every side of it, everywhere. Anyway, my correct people, these people have done what they're supposed to do for the king. What is left is for the king to do his own. As they have stormed palace to tell Queen Naomi that we need you back in the palace. So, although the mother did not agree, but at least let it be that they have come at least once. Thank you and love you guys. Bye.